Hi VIPs, it's your coach JNL. Wow, what a workout. This is actually the choreography for today's This Just Thin, a takeoff of the newsworthy catchphrase, this just in. You see, because I want your body, mind, and spirit to be the talk of the town. I want it to be making healthy, hot headlines like, OMG, did you see her body? What is she doing? She's getting TNT and bubbled out in all the right places. That's what it's about. So this is like my E=MC squared. It's like how you crack your fat loss code. Now, I'm not gonna name any names. I'm gonna keep my VIP's information private, but one VIP came to me and said, I am ravenous. I have now made it a point to work out every day. Whenever you're live, I'm live, and when you're not, I'm doing replays, but I feel like my appetite is just exploded. I'm hungry all the time, and that's great because that means that your metabolism has been scrambled, that we cracked your fat loss code. Your body is churning and burning fat, and you're getting that crazy, you know, cartooned out body where you're flat, bubbled out in the right places. You have that V taper. So, and we're doing this in the comfort of our own home. So again, I'm not selling you, I'm telling you what we're doing here is working. And people, you know what? Some people leave out of your life, and that's a blessing. It's not like you're losing anything, you're gaining. Then just making room for the right people. So as you look towards 2020, the new year, and you have only less than 3 months, about 2.5 months left, let the weeds weed themselves out. You don't want to take them into the new year with you anyways, so don't worry about it. Because I had one of my VIPs email me, so-and-so did this to me and so-and-so did that to me. You know what? So-and-so is going to do that to everybody she meets. No wonder she doesn't have any friends. Okay, so no shade there. This is just the God honest truth. Right now, some people can go alone and try to find their happiness, but that's not going to work. You know what happens when one little wolf leaves the pack? They get eaten up alive. That's what happens. So we VIP sisters, this is not the fake sorority. This is the real deal. VIP power all day long. You know, so in closing, guys, I'm very grateful to work with some women for over 10 years and known them for that long in our group. And these women are veterans. You know, we're fighting Mother Nature, we're fighting Father Time. I hate to say it, ladies, we're not getting any younger. Father Time and Mother Nature's not on our side. So for us to be able to crack our fat loss code, age in reverse, train like teenagers, like little kids on a playground, jumping, plyometrics, and boosting our energy, it's really like nothing short of a miracle to be able to do that and to be able to say that we're actually looking better and feeling better as time goes on. So again, if you want to join, go to jnlvip.com. And if not, that's okay too. You're the one leaving success on the table, not me, and we're just killing it. So thank you so much, guys. Have a great day, and join me tomorrow for our Deep Detox Sexy Sculpt and Stretch. I believe in you. VIP power on. Yes, love you, Shelby.